Mechanical keyboards are growing in demand thanks to their precision, durability, and satisfying feedback. Features that appeal to both typists and gamers alike. Similarly, selecting the best shower door involves evaluating build quality, design, ease of installation, and value for money. In this guide, we showcase the top shower doors that combine elegance, functionality, and durability to elevate your bathroom into a spa-like retreat.
List number 38 to 42 inches wide by 71 inches height pivot swing glass shower door. Pivot semi-frameless shower door with 1/4, 6mm, clear, SGCC tempered glass. This pivot swing glass shower door combines style and practicality, making it perfect for small to mid-sized bathrooms. Its semi-frameless design provides a sleek and modern look, while the 1/4, 6mm SGC certified tempered glass ensures durability and safety. The pivot mechanism is smooth and easy to operate, and the adjustable width, 38 to 42 inches, allows for a snug fit. The door is reversible for left or right side opening, offering flexibility during installation. List number 2 grogro 38 to 42 inches W71H pivot swing glass shower door. Pivot semi-frameless shower door with 1/4 inch grogro delivers a premium semi-frameless pivot shower door that combines contemporary aesthetics with excellent functionality. The 1/4 inch thick tempered glass is clear and sturdy, while the pivot hinges provide seamless operation and longevity. Its width adjustment, 38 to 42 inches, caters to various spaces, and the design suits both modern and classic bathrooms. With a reversible door opening and high-quality materials, it's easy to install and maintain. Perfect for a quick yet impactful bathroom upgrade. List number 3. Eurotech Showers Vitra 200. 56.5 to 59 inches W times 78 inches height. Frameless shower door, double sliding with 3/8 clear. It's clear. The Eurotech Vitra 200 is ideal for larger showers, offering a luxurious frameless design with double sliding doors. Its 3/8 thick clear tempered glass delivers impressive durability and safety while maintaining a minimalistic aesthetic. The smooth sliding mechanism operates effortlessly, and the wide dimensions, 56.5 to 59 inches W times 78 inches height, make it perfect for spacious bathrooms. With premium hardware and a contemporary look, this door enhances the overall appeal of any bathroom renovation project. List 4. Frameless sliding shower door 56 to 60 in W by 75 in H. Frameless shower door with 5/16 8mm clear tempered glass. This frameless sliding shower door brings elegance and durability with its 5/16 8mm clear tempered glass panels and solid metal hardware. Its adjustable width, 56 to 60 inches, fits most standard openings, and the frameless design creates a clean, open feel in the bathroom. The sliding mechanism glides effortlessly, while the heavy-duty glass ensures safety and long-lasting use. Perfect for modern and minimalistic bathrooms, this door is both visually stunning and highly functional. List number 5. Semi-frameless sliding shower door. W60 by H72 inches. Bathroom sliding door, easy to install. This semi-frameless sliding shower door is a great budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. Its 60-inch width and 72-inch height fit most standard tubs or walk-in showers. The clear tempered glass panels provide durability and safety, while the aluminum frame adds stability and a modern touch. The sliding mechanism is smooth and quiet, making it easy to use. With a straightforward installation process, this door is ideal for quick bathroom updates without breaking the bank.